Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today what I got going on for you guys, not too much really, but an important video nonetheless. Maybe not super important, but a good topic. I just got my pair in from Undefeated. It's the VERDY SB Dunk Low, just a size 9. I just want to quickly show y'all these right here. I would show y'all the receipt, but that has my address and all that on it, so I'm not going to be showing that. But, you know, we got the extra laces, all that. I'll be showing y'all that in this video because the topic we're going to be discussing is the recent price drop for the VERDY SB Dunk Low. Prices rising, and then obviously prices have come back down since some pairs have started shipping from the VERDY's gift shop raffle. I know not everybody's pair is shipped, but I would just recommend being patient. They'll eventually get to it. You know, they probably have a decent amount of pairs to get out. But considering that, we also can see that one theory that I had, which was we're going to be maybe seeing more pairs get backdoored after the release. That's actually one thing I've noticed, is that I've seen that there's more pairs for sale, a couple weeks later, which is to be expected. You know what I mean? It doesn't necessarily mean they're backdooring. It just shows you, hey, more pairs have landed from people that want them at skate shops. For example, I just got mine from Undefeated, so more people are getting theirs in, and the prices have come down a bit. So I just want to discuss a good opportunity to buy if you're interested in hearing some info about that. So we're going to discuss all that in this video. If y'all want more content, again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. It's trying to hit 300 likes on this video. Just lets me know that, yeah, make more unboxings, price discussion videos, resell. I'll discuss all of it. Just let me know. If there's ever a video you want to see, just drop it in the comments. And you can also check me out on my IGs down below. If you ever want to buy, sell, or trade with me, hit me up here. Again, I got a lot of stuff for sale on my stories, so don't miss out on that. And of course, check us out down below at Resell Vision, because we're giving away a pair of these. The giveaway is live right now in Resell Vision. So if you want a chance to win a free pair of VERDY SBs, make sure you guys join us down below and don't miss your chance. Hopefully that's focusing. But yeah, I hope to see you guys there. We're giving away a pair of these right now for members. And we also do undermarket sneakers every day, so you guys can see that in the screen. Do not miss out. But yeah, a bit of a longer intro right there, but we had some good information, and we actually discussed some information for the video, so why don't we just get into it? And I hope to see you guys checking all that down below. So first thing I'm going to do is get into just unboxing the pair we got right here. So as you guys can see with this pair, I'm just going to show y'all the size tag, again, straight from Undefeated. So if you need a look, one that is 100% good, there you go. So just my size 9. That's the even crazier part about getting the retail dub on this pair. It was my size. Yeah, just, you know what I mean? Like, if I was expecting to hit for retail on this pair, I was expecting it not to be my size, but I got lucky, and yeah, I happened to hit my size on these, so I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, as y'all can see right here with these, some up close details, the kind of blue corduroy we got going around the toe box, also all around the sneaker back by the heel, kind of that cartoonish Nike font right there on the back of the sneaker. The green fur, y'all can see that is very present throughout the whole entire shoe. On that tongue tag, which you guys can see, it says Nike SB and VERDY. I'm definitely just going to keep these on ice for a while. I mean, I could definitely think of something to wear, for this pair. It's like kind of like the Grateful Dead's a little bit. Obviously, it's not the same, but a little bit. You know what I mean? In terms of how crazy and just hectic of a shoe it is. Y'all can also see there is the hang tag that comes with them right there, the Nike SB, or just a little VERDY logo, as you guys can see skating on it. So I think this is a shoe that will age well. It has lots of unique features. There's a little keychain there. Here's the Nike SB logo also on the inside of the heel. Hopefully that's pretty visible. Hopefully y'all are able to see that. Actually, I'll take out, since it's just my size, and I'll probably just end up keeping this pair for my collection. Let me set that one back down. I'll show you all the extra laces, but I'm going to take the insoles out of these so y'all can get a good look at that. If you remember the earlier review from a couple months ago, it's just a cool shoe. That's another reason I think these will age well. Here's also the other tongue tag. Y'all can just see it says VERDY, or Nike SB and VERDY, same thing. And of course, the standard yellow laces, and then the extra ones right there. Y'all can see that green and blue. I actually think these would look pretty good with those green or blue laces. I think that would work well. Let me see if I can get this out, though. I'm going to try with the other one, though. That's definitely not this side. That's easier. All right, so as you guys can see, that took me a while, but there is the insole design. Super, super unique. I mean, this is just another thing about this sneaker. Well done all around. So yeah, there you go. That's also the same design we saw on the keychain, which is right here. So, or there's the other side of it, but let me flip that around, and boom, y'all can see that is matching right there. So pretty cool. I like what we got. Again, with it's just super unique. So again, it might not be everyone's style. This is gonna age well though, 100%. I only got a couple of these, that I'm really holding on to though, because I'm just looking for. I got most of the shoes I want when I'm gonna be selling a lot of my pairs around Christmas time. So I just really want my size and one more, which is pretty much what I got right now. That guy was leaf blown for 20 seconds. That was the most random thing ever. It'd be like that. But yeah, aside from that, I'm just glad to have my size in these. You know what I mean? I got lucky. That's the truth. You know what I mean? To hit a pair like this for retail, it's pretty much luck. So I'm glad that I was able to get one. But aside from showing y'all again what these look like up close, you know, some of the details just for anybody that might be curious. You know, there's like back by the heel, you know, what we got going on. So, you know, just again, some details I can show you guys for anybody that is curious about that. Very, very cool, very unique shoe. I definitely want to get a couple more to put away. It's just like, that's not what, you know, I probably won't do that right now. If I am going to do that, I'll probably get some of the preschool or toddler ones. Mainly big sizes too, because those are the ones that become harder to find. They make less of, except, you know, y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, pretty cool pair. But why don't we get into the little price drop, since I know some of you guys are curious about that, and let's discuss it. Well, now is the time to buy. As I, you know, was mentioning in my recent seller hold video, I was also saying, hey, if you just wait a week or two, sometimes that's the best method with, you know, getting the best price, and that time may be now, so why don't we do that? I'm definitely going to go out the way and get one more today, but I'm not gonna like stress about getting like 50, you know what I mean? Because it looks like we're gonna have some time to buy these, so don't stress about needing to like get all your pairs right now is what I'm saying. Oh, hey girl, I got my cat right here too. You know, tons of folks around me. We got people leaf blowing. I got my cat. He'd be like that. All right, so as you guys can see, why don't we take a look at most of these sizes right now, and you guys can see the only one that is really still, you know, sticking up there in price is the size 13. I'm actually gonna take a look at that one because there was someone that was taking some bids pretty low on these a little bit earlier, or 360-ish range, so not super low, but you guys can see this one shot right back up. There's just not many size 13s in these. If you got a size 13, that'll be the one, you know, that makes some quick progress, I think. That or size 12 or 11 and a half. You know what sizes are good to hold. If you watch my recent seller hold, I was saying 10 and a half plus. Those are mainly the ones that I would be looking to get to hold on to, if that's again what you want to do with this shoe. But if we're just going to discuss this from a perspective of, you know, hey, you know, I've been looking to get my personal, when should I get it? I think now's a good opportunity. I'm going to look at that size of 9. That's probably the low point we will see for the shoe, because I do not think they're going to dip under 300. You could maybe try a bid at like 290 some. Let's see, has anybody gotten something at like 290? I bet you there might be one. Let's see. Anybody? Okay, so 305. Someone got a 305. So you maybe could throw a bid out there for like, you know, 305, 304. I mean, there's a chance that you could, you know, get that, and that's actually not a bad deal. Or check in your local area. Maybe someone has hit a pair. Just, you know, obviously make sure you double check they're legit, stuff like that. And we're also doing these under market right now in Resell Vision. We were doing size 9s at like 250. We'll be doing more of these tonight and tomorrow as well throughout the week. We know people want more pairs of these, so we will be doing more of them. But this is just one of those ones that, again, I see aging well. This is a low point. I mean, just go look at any SB Dunk Low a year later. Most of them are up like at least $100. So with this being the most limited SB Dunk Low on sneakers this year, yeah, I mean, if these are just chilling at your local skate shop, that's first of all crazy. But second, yeah, you should go get them, because you know, once more people find out like, hey, this is that valuable of a shoe, that people are gonna go get them and, you know, just flip them, or they're gonna keep them. You know what I mean? So that's the idea. You don't see stuff like this often, and when you do, it's definitely something to pay attention to, because it's just very unique. It stands out. People are gonna get these. They're gonna be like, oh, you know, it's kind of like the cheaper version of the Grateful Deads, or, you know, the Three Bears SBs. You know, there's tons of SBs with this kind of fur style that are very, very valuable. So people may look to, you know, get these because it's like one of the cheaper ones. You know what I mean? Yeah, because there's one more I can think of, like, isn't there the Papa Bear SB Dunk Highs? I think those might be made of like similar materials to this. Again, very, very valuable sneaker. Again, you see that kind of comparisons I'm making. Obviously, it's just mainly because of the materials. They're two very, very different shoes. But yeah, like I see something like this being more valuable in the future because it's unique, it has that touch, and yeah, I mean, they just did not make a lot of these, and I imagine these are a bit harder to make. Like, the choice of materials is pretty wild, like from corduroy to fur to, you know, normal insoles. You got the fat laces with these also. I love that. Like, this is just such a nice pair. I wish my camera was focusing right now. Hopefully that is. If not, then that sucks. But yeah, very clean shoe. This is gonna be one of those collabs that will eventually be, you know, $500, $600 pair, and then like way down the line it'll be $1,000 pair. But that's like, I'm talking way down the line, you know what I mean? So there's very few shoes that are at those prices. So my screen recording already ended. That's a good thing. I mean, again, y'all saw the price range. It was like 300 to 350. So I think like 11 and a half and 13 were the ones that were going for a bit more. If you want to try throwing a bit out there for like 360, 370, you might be able to get it. I'm mainly just going to be looking to, again, maybe get like some of the preschool or toddler. Maybe like I got my size 9, so I'm not really looking to get like a 9 or a 10 or an 8, you know what I mean? Like those will go up, but I'm not really stressing getting those. I mainly want to get 11 plus right now. So if anybody's selling 11 plus for, you know, a decent price, hit me up. You know what I mean? I know a lot of you guys, some of y'all were hitting me up and charging pretty high, but same here. You know what I mean? I got some. My friend has some pairs. I've been selling those for, you know, or trying to sell them for, you know, a little bit higher. So I understand the hustle. No disrespect. I feel you. But yeah, if anyone's selling them for like, I don't know, like just you know what reasonable is. But yeah, hit me up. I got you. If not, no worries. Just see where you're at. And I'll be getting back to any of my DMs on Instagram tonight. I just been busy with school this week, so hopefully that is understandable. And yeah, that is what, again, I can say about the VERDY SB Dunk Low. Very, very unique pair. And I would say the dip is probably right now. Like, just based off what we're seeing, the dip on these is probably happening at the moment because most pairs have probably landed. Most people are going to clear their pairs, and a lot of people are going to go out the way and buy a pair right now because, again, we have that little dip. But I think a lot of people are also, another reason we might be seeing a dip on these is because the sales are probably slowing down a little bit. It's still a lot happening, but probably slowing down a little bit because people are like, oh my god, I got to get the new Travis Scotts, you know what I mean? They also got, don't forget the medium olives are coming soon, so that's another thing to mention, you know what I mean? We got those on the way, and I think a lot of people are probably putting their money towards those. But that's what I can say about these VERDYs. Don't forget, check us out down below, Resell Vision. We're giving away a pair of these right now, so if you want a chance to win a free pair, hey, you better get in there. And we're actually giving away a size, I think it's like a 10, but you know, the winner will be able to sell it and go get their size if they want. And yeah, that's what I can say. So let me know how y'all are feeling about these VERDYs, and I hope to see y'all down below. Don't forget the deals we do every day, and you can hit me on my IGs down below if you need any kicks, or again, subscribe and like for more content like this in the channel. I was trying to 300 likes, just lets me know y'all want more stuff like this. But yeah, what a crazy pair. I mean, I haven't seen like something like this in a while, and when I do, I know it's something that you know, I should pay attention to. But my goal is to have like maybe like 5 that I'm just like, you know, holding on to, not too many, but like 5 or 10. And yeah, then, you know, that'll be pretty much it. I'm not looking to go super crazy on the sneaker because I know it's only going to be a really like a long-term play, but they will make some good progress because, again, the Grateful Dead comparisons and other things like that. But that's not the only reason. It's because it's a limited SB. That's the main reason. But and a collaboration. So T, thank you guys. This video has been way too long, but you know, I'll like editing it later. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Don't miss out. I'll catch you then. I don't know what the video will be. Probably something on like the Travis Scott's or something like that. Y'all will see it. Don't miss out on that. Tomorrow. All right. This has just been awkward now. I'm gonna catch y'all then. Peace.